Today's topic is a wrap on all the various aspects that we have discussed so far. Now that we understand the various gamut of possibilities that HR analytics brings to the table, it is now time for us to apply this and implement this. So while there is an agreed need and demand for HR analytics, but then the path is not very easy. There are obstacles and challenges that if are not only addressed properly in the right manner can cause a lot of false starts as well as delay the right results. The need for the right process, tools, people and governance system is imperative to the overall success. The challenges start right at the beginning to help identify the right set of problems, the right insights, the right methods and the manner in which all this have to be sequenced to help achieve the results while balancing the expectations. This webinar will address the process, common pitfalls and opportunities which will shape an enterprise analytics program for the human resource function. For this, we have got two eminent speakers today. First, we have got Mr. Chinmay Pradhan, who is the CEO of Arima Analytics. Arima Analytics is the organization that has implemented the HR analytics at the Tata Capital. Mr. Pradhan has been heading the organization developing products and platforms for solving business problems in areas of customer intelligence and talent management across the globe. Mr. Pradhan brings along 15 years of rich experience in management consulting, data analytics, product development and operational excellence initiatives in delivery and talent management. He has consulted some of the top IT companies and systems engineering organizations in India, Asia, Europe. He has worked and consulted global organizations like EY, Deloitte, PwC India, OneAccess, Dell, Capita, CSC, etc. across the global centers. Along with Mr. Pradhan, we also have Ms. Rosalind Biswal amongst us. You will remember that Ms. Biswal was also amongst us during the first webinar along with Mr. Sudipta Marjit. Ms. Biswal has close to 9 years of experience in the field of analytics. She has done a master's in data analytics from BITS Pilani. Currently, she is working as the lead data analyst in Arima Research and closely working with Tata Capital. She has worked in various organizations like TCS and Vodafone. Over to you, Mr. Pradhan and Ms. Rosalind Biswal.
Thank you, Orca, so much. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Hi, good morning, and welcome to this session. Me and Rosalind are going to, take you through the next 1 hour, 15 minutes of, identifying what would be, the experience of, leading some of these analytics projects and what processes have worked, what have not worked, what kind of pitfalls we have seen, challenges that we see. HR, of course, is a very complex area, being at the crux of the organization, and for some of the, knowledge-intensive organizations, it's almost the holder of the key resources also. So some of the common pitfalls we have seen, and of course, a few case studies at the end to show the kind of opportunities, the kind of experiences that we have, with our clients' experience. The way we have structured it today is going to be primarily, interactive, where we are trying to say that we would mostly show you real examples and the real flow of how it's happened, rather than focusing more on the slides and the way it should have been done. I'm telling a shift from more of a theoretical to more of a showing you actual approaches and things like that. So a mix of both of them, and that's what our primary focus would be. So if in case we go across the time because you have questions, interactive sessions do tend to have more questions. But yeah, if we slip a time here and there, so we'll try to balance it on the overall front. I hope we're good on that. Cool. Yeah. So and thanks to CII for inviting me and helping us present our experiences. So, me and Rosalind have been part of this organization called Arima Research. We have a contact details here, so in case you want to touch base with us later on some questions and stuff like that, so we can talk. Arima Analytics and Arima Research are two parts of the same organization, where we primarily work with organizations with respect to building an analytics infrastructure in the organization, as well as developing products for them and helping them in this journey of analytics.